Hello everyone, I Dr. Arun Bhatia, Faculty of Management Department from Tecnia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic innovation. What is innovation? Innovation we define as something new. Now according to the New Oxford Dictionary, innovation involves making changes in something established, especially by introducing new methods, ideas or products. Innovation is the process by which new ideas are successfully exploited to create economic, social and environmental value. When an organization produces goods or services or initiates a method that is new to it, it makes a technical change. The first company to make a technical change is an innovator, and its action is innovation. Peter Drucker in 1993 defines innovation by virtue of its meaning must be successful in the market. The test of innovation, after all, lies not in its novelty, its scientific content or its cleverness, but in its success in the marketplace. He further quotes on entrepreneurs that innovation is the specific tool of entrepreneurs, the means by which they exploit changes as an opportunity for a different business or service. It is capable of being presented as a discipline, capable of being learned and practiced. Entrepreneurs need to search purposefully for the sources of information, the changes and their symptoms that indicates opportunities for successful innovation, and they need to know and apply the principles of successful innovation. According to him, for an entrepreneur, three conditions need to be met. First, innovation at work, which requires knowledge and ingenuity, diligence, persistence and commitment. Two, to succeed, innovation must be their strength. Third, innovation must be market focused and market driven. Innovation is widely considered as the lifeblood of corporate survival and growth. It plays a pivotal role in creating value and sustaining competitive advantage. Innovation represents the core renewal process in any organization. Unless it changes what it offers the world and the way in which it creates and delivers those offerings, it risks its survival and growth prospects. The significance of innovation is not restricted to business organizations alone. It can be applied in any field of work or process. Innovation leads to change as organizations use innovation as a tool in order to influence an environment or due to their changing environment, both internal and external. However, innovation may implicate different types of change depending on the organization's resources, its capabilities, strategies and requirements. Routine types of innovation involve new products, materials, new processes, new services and new organizational forms. Innovation can also combine two things that already exist and putting them together in a new way. Joseph's computer defined innovation as the creation of something new that creates and adds value for those who interact with or consume it. Here, something new also means the refurbishing of something which already exists in order to take advantage of a specific segment or a newly identified or emerging market, like fair and lovely for ladies, fair and handsome for darker males. So I hope you understood the topic innovation. Thank you very much.